Introducing the Ultimaker S5, the most reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use desktop 3D printer. Engineered for printing prototypes, manufacturing aids, and end-use parts, let's see what makes it the complete, user-friendly 3D printing solution. The Ultimaker S5 features the largest build volume yet in an Ultimaker 3D printer, so you can print bigger models or put more parts on the build plate for maximum efficiency. To ensure repeatable, high-quality prints and an efficient workflow, the Ultimaker S5 is built around seamless integration of hardware, software, and materials configuration. Ultimaker Cura software optimizes your settings for larger prints, while Wi-Fi and Ethernet network capabilities mean you can print from your desk. With Cura Connect on your desktop or via the app, you can monitor prints and manage your 3D printers. Touchscreen navigation on the printer makes setup and maintenance fast and simple. In addition to the glass build plate, the Ultimaker S5 also features an anodized aluminum build plate, which is designed to make printing with engineering materials easier, while also giving a more consistent surface finish to the bottom of your part. With 2 build plates, you can choose the one that fits the material. Before your print starts, the active detailed bed leveling system corrects any offset on the build plate surface. A sensor scans the plate at multiple points, and the build plate height is adjusted to compensate and give a perfect first layer every time. Closing the doors of the Ultimaker S5 gives you better control of the temperature and airflow. This, in combination with using the right build plate and active bed leveling, ensures good adhesion and reliable 3D printing. Ultimaker's Dual Extrusion technology gives unparalleled reliability. Printing with 2 materials, you can produce technical parts with cavities and overhangs supported by specialized support materials. Realize your most complex designs in PLA, nylon, or CPE combined with PVA support material that dissolves away in water, enabling complete dimensional freedom in design. And when you need to adjust your printer setup for a different material or nozzle size, material matching print cores and NFC-enabled filament spools ensure quick changes and high uptime. The Ultimaker S5 is a flexible platform for creative designers and engineers. Depending on what properties your prints need, you can choose from a wide range of optimized Ultimaker materials or other filaments thanks to S5's open filament system. Whichever material you select, the intuitive touchscreen interface guides you through the printer setup for easy, first-time-right configuration. The Ultimaker S5 comes with Tough PLA, a technical material with toughness similar to ABS, but the simplicity of PLA. Ideal for rapid prototyping with large prints. Tough PLA is compatible with Ultimaker support materials, including PVA. For the perfect printing results, use our material range with pre-configured profiles in Ultimaker Cura software, which have been extensively tested and optimized by our engineers. Sensors monitor your filament flow during printing. If the material runs out, the printer pauses and notifies you to load new filament before resuming. With the Ultimaker S5, you choose a future-ready 3D printing solution that will grow even richer in functionality and possibilities over time. Regular firmware updates add new and optimized features, alongside improvements to Ultimaker Cura and Cura Connect software. The Ultimaker S5 feeder is designed to print with advanced technical plastics such as composite materials. Over time, more materials and print cores become available, opening up even more possibilities and applications. The Ultimaker S5 is the powerful, reliable, and versatile 3D printer that delivers industrial-class results. With Ultimaker's complete integrated solution, professional 3D printing is made even more accessible.